What's up, traders? All right, guys, listen, a couple of you want an update on salt. I'm going to use the LIQU, what is that, Liquio exchange, just because they do it versus the dollar. Actually, Bitrix does too, right? What I'm thinking here. Oh, wait, this salt just on BTC on Bitrix. Yeah, so anyway, I like looking at this versus Tether versus the dollar, right? Gives us a little bit more accurate view. And let's just glance at the monthly. Yeah, there's no cycle there, not enough data. Look at the weekly. Really not enough data there for a cycle either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had an 8 count, so there's the 8.6 frequency. We had an 8 to 9 count into the highs. So now we're on this 8 to 9 count the other way. It's only been 3 weeks lower. So that doesn't mean that a low should happen necessarily on the 8. It's just more of a turning point. Keep an eye on that frequency. From a daily perspective, I think we can see the most helpful information. And there is a cup and handle here. So that's like what Mark was pointing out. So these first few days of trading put in the high, and then we definitely based, right? You can even view this as a handle here, or you can view this entire cup like this, and then there's a little handle there also. So either way, they were both a correction pullback followed by a basing period and then new move up. Retest that high. The cup and handle is just simply retesting a high, and then you kind of just drift after you initially tested, and then you break out through. So this was the first move up, and I always talk about the second move after a breakout is the larger move. So this was actually a gift. When you broke out here, and this was the first move up, this pullback was a gift. You got the bottoming tails right into the bands. It's beautiful. And then this move up was the larger move to a new high. Another pullback. This one was met by a lower high, right? There's a lower high. And then we also had a break here of the higher lows. So this moved us into more of a intermediate term downtrend at this point. All right. But, you play this long-term bullish. We're kind of just hanging out right at the same levels that we broke out from. So we're still core long here, just like the rest of the market. We got to get above this pivot to really change the momentum back to bullish. That would probably clear this intermediate term downtrend. But that 10 level is definitely the pivot. And then I think there is real risk if we trade below 6. You get below 6, then I think you take off probably at least 80%, if not all of your position, and just wait. I'm not going to sit for 6 all the way back to 2. That's too much percentage movement. All right, so I haven't sold anything. Just been adding. I added here, and I'd like to get a pop back to 10. Take a little bit off that I bought down here around 8 or 7. And then let's see if we can get back on the horse here if we get above 10. All right? Hope that helps, guys.